Ka St. Joseph Hr.Sec School Umden Ribhoi District Kalapan Long ka jing Rakhe ka jing Laitluid Ka Ri India ka banyo punyo snem menda ka sngi ka khatsan turik unailar hajar pulai ha pelau ka school ha ka jing don Father Rangba kalum Sinai Parish Umden Father Michael Kongan, u Principal Father Joachim Eka, u Father MC Thomas, u Catechist, ki Sister, ki Nong Hikai, ki Khana School, bat urang ba shnong ka Umden nong tlu, u ba Tisha Inghi, bat ki wei ki riu rang ba ki balawan ban pensngan hakane ka sngi. U Principal kane ka school, Father Joachim Eka ula kentiu kalama kari bat la shimbenta haka march pas da ki khana school jongkani ka school bat lawan ru ban sakhi hakane ka sngi da ki arngut ki shipai bala shong that na po kane ka than uba Pius Malai bat uba Matthias Malai bat kane ka program kala long ka baipu iping
Today, our motherland surrounds the national tricolor with pride and dignity on the occasion of the 77th Independence Day of our country. We honor the soil on which we have been brought up. This is the day when we pay our homage to the millions of our freedom fighters and leaders led by Mahatma Gandhi and others, who, by the sweat and blood, shattered the shackles of British captivity and breathed in winds of freedom, thus declaring India an independent nation. We enjoy the fruit of their sacrifice today. The country that suffered slavery is the very country that has been admired by many in the West. We need to be proud of that legacy. No less a person than Albert Einstein has said of India. We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worldwide scientific discovery could have been made. The famous German scholar Max Muller observed, "If I were asked under what sky human mind has most fully developed some of its choicest gifts, has most deeply pondered on the greatest problems of life, and has found solutions, I should point to in art and art alone." Our country is a land of spirituality, enlightenment, cradle of religions, and birthplace of major religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and a host of civilizations such as Indus Valley, Mohenjo-daro, and Harappa. Our country thrives on unity in diversity. India has always been a creature of peace, even when it faced a lot of adversities of its own. Today we are the fifth largest economy in the world. However, today we must take a moment to ask ourselves of the 77th Independence Day of our nation. It is a day when we come together to celebrate the freedom that our great country achieved after years of struggle and sacrifice. Today, we remember with reverence the leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others who led to the charge for our freedom. This year will mark the 77th Independence Day, and the celebration is encircled around the theme "Nation First, Always First" under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. India is a land of diversity where people from different cultures, languages, and backgrounds live together as one big family. Our unity is diversity is what makes our nation unique and strong. Just like the colors of the rainbow come together to create a beautiful sight,
All differences make India a vibrant and rich heritage.
Lâu lắm rồi, tụi chú